Hey everyone! Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and what better way to show your love than with a handmade gift? Seriously, is there anything that says I love you more than something you crafted with your own two hands? That's why today we're going to make 5 adorable DIY paper Valentine's gift cards that are sure to impress your loved ones. These cards are super easy to make, and they're a really fun and creative way to show someone you care. Plus, who doesn't love receiving a handmade gift? It shows that you put in extra effort and thought, and it's something they can cherish forever. So, gather your supplies, put on your crafting hats, and let's get started. I'm so excited to share these DIY Valentine's Day cards with you. We're gonna have so much fun making these together. Alright, for our first card, we're going to start with a classic, the simple but always adorable heart-shaped card. This one is super easy and perfect for beginners. Don't worry if you don't consider yourself a crafty person. This is totally doable, I promise. All you need is some red paper, scissors, and a little bit of creativity. You can even use pink paper or white paper, or really any color paper you want. Valentine's Day isn't just about red and pink. It's about expressing your love, so feel free to go wild with color. First, fold your paper in half to create a card base. Then, take your scissors and cut out a half heart shape along the folded edge. Once you unfold the paper, you'll have a perfect heart shape. Pretty cool, right? Now you can decorate your heart however you like. You can use markers, crayons, glitter, stickers, whatever your heart desires. Get those creative juices flowing. You can write a sweet message inside the heart, or decorate the front of the card with hearts of different sizes and colors. The possibilities are endless with this simple heart-shaped card. Remember, the most important ingredient here is your love. Okay, ready for the next design? Let's do it. Next up, let's make a pop-up card that's guaranteed to make your loved one say, "Ah!" This card will definitely surprise your loved one when they open it. It's like a little piece of magic inside a card. We're going to create a fun pop-up element that stands up when the card is opened. Trust me, it's easier than it sounds. You can use construction paper, cardstock, or even patterned scrapbook paper for this one. Get colorful with it. Now, on a separate piece of paper, draw and cut out the shape you want to pop up. Hearts, stars, even cute animals. Let your imagination run wild. Once you've got your pop-up element ready, it's time to attach it to the card base. We'll use a simple folding technique and a little glue to make the magic happen. And for the grand finale, you can write a sweet message or even a little poem on the pop-up element. How cute is that? This card is all about that element of surprise and showcasing your love in a playful, interactive way. Chapter 3. Shh, it's a secret, pocket. Okay, this next card is one of my favorites because it's like a 2-in-1 deal. We're going to make a secret pocket card, perfect for hiding a little something special. This is perfect for slipping in a little treat, a gift card, a handwritten note, or a special photo. It's like a card and a gift all in one. Who doesn't love a little surprise tucked away inside? For this card, we're going to need some colorful cardstock, a glue stick, and our trusty scissors. First, we'll create the pocket. You can make it any shape you like, but I think a simple rectangle or square works best. We'll attach it to the card base, leaving the top open to create the pocket. Then comes the fun part, decorating. You can go all out with markers, stickers, washi tape, whatever your heart desires. I love the idea of adding a little tag to the pocket that says, "Open me" or something special for you. This card is all about that element of surprise and adding a personal touch to your Valentine's Day gift. Chapter 4. Blooming with Love. Alright, are you ready for a card that's bursting with beauty? Let's create a card with a gorgeous, eye-catching paper flower on the front. This one looks so elegant and is sure to impress. And the best part, you can use any color paper you like. Think beyond the traditional red and pink. How about a vibrant yellow, a soft pastel blue, or even a dramatic black? We'll start by creating the flower petals. You can use a template or freehand it if you're feeling adventurous. I love layering different sizes and colors of petals for a more dimensional look. Once you've got your petals ready, we'll arrange them in a circular pattern and secure them with a glue stick. Don't forget to add a cute center to your flower. You can use a button, a bead, or even just a contrasting circle of paper. This card is all about embracing your creativity and making it your own. Chapter 5. Pull on my heartstrings. And for our final DIY Valentine's Day card, we're going out with a bang. Get ready for a card that's as fun to make as it is to receive the interactive pull tab card. This card is perfect for adding a playful, interactive element to your Valentine's Day message. We'll start by creating a simple card base, then cut out a strip of paper for our pull tab. This is where you can get creative with your message. Write a sweet message on the part of the strip that will be hidden when the card is closed, and then reveal a special message or design when the tab is pulled. It's like a little magic trick. You can decorate the card with hearts, arrows, or anything that screams Valentine's Day. This card is all about adding that extra touch of love and playfulness that will make your Valentine smile. And there you have it. 5 adorable DIY paper Valentine's gift cards that are sure to make your loved ones smile. I hope you had as much fun making them as I did showing you how. Remember, the most important ingredient in any handmade gift is love, so put your heart into it and have fun. Don't forget to share pictures of your creations with me on social media. I would love to see what you come up with. Tag me on Instagram, Twitter, you name it, so I can check out your amazing DIY Valentine's Day cards. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more fun and creative DIY projects. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone!